Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common yet frustrating problem, a microphone that just won't work on your PC. Whether you're gaming, attending online meetings, or just chatting with friends, we've got you covered with some effective fixes. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand why this happens. It could be due to outdated drivers, incorrect settings, or physical connection issues. No worries though, we'll go through each scenario step by step. First things first, check your physical connections. Ensure your microphone is properly plugged in. If you're using a USB mic, try different ports to rule out a faculty USB port issue. Sometimes it's the simplest solution that works. But if that doesn't fix it, let's move on to the next step. Go to sound settings on your PC. You can do this by right clicking on the start bar, opening your settings and selecting sound settings or searching sound settings. Now scroll down to the input sections and make sure your microphone is selected as the default device. Also check the volume labels to ensure they're not muted or too low. This usually solves the issue for most people, but if your mic is still giving you the silent treatment, let's proceed. Outdated or corrupted drivers can often be the culprit. To update your audio driver, right click on your Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right click on your microphone and select Update Driver. You can search automatically for updated driver software or visit your microphone manufacturer's website for the latest driver. Still no luck? Don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Windows 10 and newer versions have privacy settings that can block up apps from accessing your microphone. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and select Microphone. Make sure Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. After trying these steps, your microphone should be back to normal. But if it's still not working, it might be time to consider hardware issues or contact professional support. Don't let technical glitches silence you. With a little patience and some troubleshooting, you'll be heard loud and clear. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share with anyone who might find it useful. Have questions or other solutions to share? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected.